Good to see you. The new feature from WhatsApp certainly sounds promising in terms of enhancing user experience. Here's how it could improve things. Convenience and flexibility. Users can now manage their channels directly from their linked mobile devices without the need to switch between devices. This streamlines the user experience and saves time. Independence from primary device. With the ability to interact with channels from linked devices, users are no longer tethered to their primary device for channel interactions. This adds a layer of independence and flexibility to how they engage with content. Access across multiple devices. Being able to access favorite channels across multiple devices ensures continuity in content consumption. Whether on a smartphone, tablet, or other linked devices, users can stay connected to the channels they love. Beta testing and rollout. The gradual rollout to beta testers indicates that WhatsApp is taking steps to ensure the feature functions smoothly before releasing it widely. This approach helps in ironing out any issues and providing a polished experience to all users once it's available to everyone. Overall, this new feature aligns with WhatsApp's goal of enhancing user experience by providing more flexibility and accessibility in managing channels across devices.